And Huckseed, the first one to bid adieu in our first elimination match, walks away with 0 points.
And in this format, Chris, that really hurts.
Let's remember, the top 16 out of the 24 will make the playoffs. Huckseed, 0 points. That could be a killer down the line, but he does have 5 more preliminary matches to play before we get to the playoffs.
Kathy Ray's in the first position with a pair of aces, and I called with a pair of sevens. Pretty much committing myself. I mean, I knew she had a solid hand, but I mean, you don't want to call off all your money with a medium or small pair, which is kind of what I did, but I called, looked at the flop. I knew that she had, you know, 2 bigger cards or a bigger pair than me, so I mean, I knew I was going up against, you know, a better hand, but yeah, I was the lowest stack and the antes were getting big, and I was in the I had some money in there already, so I wasn't really sure what to do, but I just went with it. So when you're playing short-handed and the antes are getting big, a pair of sevens sometimes looks good. So
I'm glad I didn't find 2 tens. I would have had to go broke.
I found 2 tens.